Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Megamind. Today we are unboxing the MAONO Au-A03 condenser microphone, an affordable and professional mic for streamers, podcasters and musicians. Let's check out what's inside. MAONO has packed everything securely to ensure all parts arrive in perfect condition. First we have this foam windscreen. This foam windscreen helps to reduce background noise. Here's the user manual. It includes the setup instruction and product details. We have also got the pop filter, which helps to reduce plosive sound like P and B for clear vocals. We have also got shock mount. The shock mount absorbs vibration to prevent unwanted noise in your recordings. The table mounting clamp ensures the stand stays firm on your desk for a stable recording setup. Next we have the adjustable scissor arm stand, allowing you to position the mic exactly how you need it. It has got an XLR to 3.5mm cable for connectivity and a Y adapter for laptop with a single audio jack. And here's the star of the show, the condenser microphone. It has a cardio pickup pattern, meaning it captures sound from the front while reducing background noise. Now let's put it all together. First, mount the arm stand to the table, attach the shock mount, place the microphone inside and position the pop filter. Always face the side with MAONO logo for the best audio quality. Now plug in the cable and we are ready to record. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for more videos. And that's MAONO Au-A03, a budget-friendly mic with great sound quality, sturdy build and an easy setup, perfect for anyone looking to upgrade their audio.